Hi all. So this video is on Discovery Basket storytelling. So you take a basket, you put anything and everything into it, or on which you want to say a story to your kid. Okay, and your story can go from anywhere to any other part of the world, depending on what you put inside, depending on what your kid like, what he doesn't like, what you want him to learn, what you want him to unlearn, etc. etc. And you can see how my toddler was engaged for 10 minutes and he just loved it. He was into this story. This story, Discovery Basket storytelling, can be related to an actual story from a book or it can be anything. So do check out this video and stay tuned to our channel for more Discovery Story Basket telling. Here we're doing Discovery Storytelling Basket. So we start. Mama, no, Risha will not touch. It's a Discovery Storytelling Basket. There was a small boy whose name was Kriyan. And Kriyan used to love playing with this fairy stick. Can you guess what he was doing with the fairy stick? Can you guess?
I don't know.
You don't know? He always used to take a piece of paper and his fairy stick and apply fairy stick on the paper and try to stick everything that's possible. Even cup and saucer. But cup and saucer could not stick because it was made of glass. Fairy stick could not glue it to the paper. So Kriyan always loved to use fairy sticks, be it his play school or at his home or at his papa's office. He was so attached to this fairy stick that at the night when he used to go to sleep, he used to take fairy stick along with him and go to sleep. He used to hide the fairy stick under his quilt. Then one day Kriyan's mama thought that she need to detach Kriyan from this fairy stick. So what does she do? She gave Kriyan a yellow color ball. You know any specific reason why Kriyan's mama gave him yellow color ball only to detach from the fairy stick?
I don't know.
Think. Can you think?
I cannot think.
Because, can you give me the ball? The ball and fairy stick both are of yellow color. So that Kriyan tries to detach from the fairy stick and starts playing with the ball. And Kriyan started juggling. Oh, he started juggling with the ball. Yellow color ball. Yellow color also reminded Kriyan of something. Can you think?
I cannot think.
Sun, whose reflection can be seen on your face. Sun is yellow in color. Ball is also yellow in color. And Kriyan loves to eat bananas, which are also of
I know. Hello,
yellow color. Yay! So slowly Kriyan started detaching from the fairy stick. And fairy stick went out of his life. And Kriyan's mama had a smile on her face because now no more Kriyan used to keep the fairy stick under his blanket. He used to go sleep without any fairy stick. Then one day, you know what happened? No. Risham will not see. It's a Discovery Storytelling Basket. No. And here we got this yellow colored dart. Ooh. This yellow colored dart was given to Kriyan by his best friend. He used to love his friend a lot. But then he went to USA and settled down there. So Kriyan always kept this dart along with the ball so that he can play. He can make the sound. Music? Yes, music. Music is very nice to the ear. It is very good for the babies, right? It helps in the brain development also, no, Rishan? Yes, ragas. Do you like ragas? Yes. And this jar has magnet. So if there is any iron, it will get attracted. So Kriyan used to love, because he was of your same age of Rishan. So Kriyan used to love playing with magnets and used to aim on the dartboard also. So Kriyan had lots of fun with both these yellow color things. Somewhere Kriyan started developing his favorite color as
I don't know.
yellow.
Hello.
Then what happened? No, I'll not allow you to see because it's a discovery storytelling. And then Rishan, we have these beautiful marbles. All of a sudden, when Kriyan got up from the morning, he saw 2 marbles on his bed. And he was so surprised. No, Rishan, you will not touch it. You'll give me the marbles, please. So the 2 marbles, see how beautiful they look like. Kriyan was amazed to see them. Yes, you can take them. So Kriyan was amazed to see them. He found some similarity between the marble and ball. What is that similarity
I don't know.
between the marble and this ball? Can you see any similarity? What is similarity?
Ball and marble.
Both are marbles. No, these 2 are marbles. This is ball. So what's the similarity between these 2?
Ball.
Both are circle in shape. So Kriyan treasured these marbles, thinking that Santa Claus had given these marbles to him as a gift. Yes, very good. This ball is big, marbles are small. So he treasured them because he thought these were the gifts given by Santa Claus. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on its way. Right. And then, let's see what's else there in this treasury box. I want to see. And then we got this beautiful green color coin. Kriyan tried to put it into his piggy bank, mistaking it as a coin. But it is not a coin. It's a coin used to play the board games and not actually monetary coin. He tried to put it into his piggy bank and the mama said, Kriyan, what are you doing? Why are you putting it into a piggy bank? He said, Mama, this is coin. Money. Mama said, no money. This is board game coin. Kriyan said, oh, I'm sorry. Then Kriyan opened his piggy bank and pulled out this green color coin. Yay! And then one more thing entered into Kriyan's life. No, you will not see this. A dice came into the life of Kriyan and a beautiful smile, just like the smile on your face, came on Kriyan's face. Kriyan forgets all his toys and he was deeply immersed with the dice because he saw the dots. He was learning dot cards and then all of a sudden he saw the dots on the dice. So he started rolling it. Yes. But this time what is Rishan doing? He's taking all the things in his hands. He's trying to assemble all these treasuries into his hands and God knows what Rishan wants to do. But Kriyan was only interested in dice. Continuously he was rolling dice. Which number? 1. Yeah. And then finally the last treasure for Kriyan was this beautiful clip. Kriyan was mesmerized by seeing the beauty of this clip and he decided to give this clip to his mama. Say, Mama, thank you. It's over. Nothing is there in the treasury box, Rishan. So Mama was too excited to see the...
2 marbles.
Yes, 2 marbles. More 2 marbles were there inside. 1 coin was also there. Correct. Yes, and Mama was amazed to see this beautiful clip, Rishan.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
That's it.
What is this? Interconnectors. Interconnector. And Rishan, Kriyan's... Kriyan's mama was amazed to see this beautiful clip.
Two, one. It is that the gun. It is going. It is born. It is pen. And it is community. One ribbon. And it is on.
And here we end the story. So in the end, everybody was happy, including Kriyan's mom and Kriyan and Rishan. Were you happy? Yay! Did you enjoy the storytelling? How much did you enjoy?
How much?
Wow! Do you want to listen it again? Okay. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe our channel.